Welcome to our culinary journey through Pakistan. Get ready to feast your eyes and hopefully one day soon your stomachs on the incredibly diverse and flavorful world of Pakistani cuisine. Today we're counting down the top 5 foods you absolutely must try when you visit this incredible country. From aromatic rice dishes to melt-in-your-mouth meats and savory street food, Pakistan's culinary scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors and traditions, influenced by its rich history and diverse regions. So, loosen your belts, grab a napkin, and get ready to dive into the delicious world of Pakistani food. Let's go! First up, we have the undisputed king of Pakistani cuisine, biryani. If there's one dish that truly captures the essence of Pakistani food, it's this aromatic, flavorful, and utterly irresistible rice dish. Imagine layers of fragrant basmati rice, each one stained a beautiful golden yellow from saffron and laced with aromatic spices like cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. Now imagine tender morsels of meat, chicken, or vegetables nestled within those layers, each piece infused with the same intoxicating blend of spices. But the beauty of biryani lies not just in its flavor, but also in its incredible diversity. Every region of Pakistan boasts its own unique variation of biryani, each with its own special twist. In Karachi, you'll find the Sindhi biryani, known for its extra spice and generous use of tomatoes. Head up north to Lahore, and you'll encounter the more subtly spiced yet equally delicious Lahori biryani. And if you're lucky enough to be invited to a special occasion, you might get to try the slow-cooked biryani cooked in a traditional clay pot, resulting in an even more intense depth of flavor. No matter which version you try, biryani is a dish that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Trust me, one bite, and you'll understand why it's a national obsession. Next on our culinary adventure, we have nihari, a dish that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. This slow-cooked stew is a testament to the art of Pakistani cooking, where patience and passion come together to create something truly extraordinary. Imagine tender, fall-off-the-bone pieces of beef, slow-cooked to perfection in a thick, flavorful gravy, made with a symphony of spices. It's the kind of dish that warms you from the inside out, a comforting and satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. Nahari is traditionally a breakfast dish meant to be enjoyed in the early hours with warm naan bread. But honestly, I could eat it any time of day. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. A heady mix of ginger, garlic, cumin, and garam masala simmered low and slow for hours until the meat is melt-in-your-mouth tender. Often you'll find a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander, sliced ginger, and a squeeze of lemon juice added just before serving, adding a bright, citrusy counterpoint to the richness of the stew. If you're looking for a true taste of Pakistani comfort food, nihari is a must-try. It's a dish that's sure to satisfy your taste buds and leave you with a warm, happy feeling. As we delve deeper into the world of Pakistani cuisine, we encounter halim, a dish that's as comforting as it is flavorful. Often described as a hearty hug in a bowl, halim is a rich and satisfying stew that's perfect for chilly evenings, or when you need a little extra comfort food in your life. Imagine a creamy blend of lentils, meat, and spices, slow-cooked to perfection until it reaches a thick, porridge-like consistency. It's a dish that's packed with protein and flavor, and one that's sure to stick to your ribs. The key to a delicious halim lies in the perfect balance of spices. Cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and cumin all come together to create a warm and inviting aroma that will fill your kitchen as it simmers away on the stove. Traditionally, halim is made with wheat berries that are soaked overnight and then slow-cooked with the lentils and meat. This gives the dish its signature creamy texture and adds a subtle nutty flavor. But what truly elevates halim to the next level are the toppings. A generous sprinkle of crispy fried onions adds a wonderful textural contrast, while a squeeze of lemon juice brightens up the flavors. Whether you're looking for a hearty meal or a comforting bowl of goodness, halim is a dish that's sure to hit the spot. Now let's hit the streets for a taste of Pakistan's vibrant street food scene. And when it comes to street food, it's impossible to talk about Pakistan without mentioning the iconic chapli kebab. These thin, juicy patties are a staple street food throughout the country, and for good reason. Imagine a mix of minced meat, usually beef or lamb, blended with a medley of aromatic spices and then flattened and cooked on a large griddle until crispy and caramelized on the outside, yet juicy and flavorful on the inside. The beauty of chapli kebab lies in its simplicity. The spices used are bold and flavorful, with cumin, coriander, and chili powder taking center stage. The meat is hand-minced, giving it a wonderfully coarse texture that soaks up all the delicious spices. Once cooked, chapli kebabs are often served in a hot naan bread with a dollop of yogurt and a sprinkle of fresh coriander and sliced onions. It's a messy, delicious, and utterly satisfying street food experience that will have you coming back for more. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Lahore or the vibrant markets of Karachi, be sure to keep an eye out for the sizzle and aroma of chapli kebabs being cooked. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Finally, no culinary journey through Pakistan would be complete without indulging in the ubiquitous samosa. This crispy golden brown pastry is a beloved snack throughout the country, and for good reason. Imagine biting into a flaky golden brown pastry shell, its exterior shattering with a satisfying crunch to reveal a steaming hot filling. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, a tantalizing blend of spices that instantly transports you to the bustling streets of Pakistan. Samosas come in a variety of fillings, but the most popular are undoubtedly the spiced potato and the minced meat versions. The potato filling is a comforting blend of mashed potatoes, peas, and spices, while the meat version is a flavorful mix of minced meat, onions, and a medley of aromatic spices. But the true beauty of a samosa lies in its versatility. It's the perfect snack to enjoy any time of day, whether you're on the go, enjoying a cup of chai, or simply craving a little something savory. You'll find samosas sold everywhere in Pakistan, from street food vendors to bakeries and restaurants. And the best part? They're incredibly affordable, making them the perfect budget-friendly snack or meal. So when you're in Pakistan, make sure to grab a samosa, or 5, and experience the magic of this beloved Pakistani snack. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through the vibrant world of Pakistani cuisine. We've only just scratched the surface of all the incredible food this country has to offer, but hopefully, this video has given you a taste of what to expect. From the aromatic biryani to the melt-in-your-mouth nihari and the crispy, flavorful samosas, Pakistani food is a celebration of flavor, spice, and tradition. It's a cuisine that's sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures. And if you have any favorite Pakistani dishes that we didn't mention, be sure to share them in the comments below. Happy eating!